Join me as I try to find and identify as many constellations as I can using this powerful 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope. In this video, you'll discover how the 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope can transform your stargazing experience, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Many aspiring astronomers struggle with the complexity of telescopes, often feeling overwhelmed by the options and technical details, leading to missed opportunities for exploration. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're excited to start exploring the night sky. The good news is that there are telescopes out there that are designed to be user-friendly and powerful. By choosing the right one, you can unlock a whole new world of celestial wonders. The sheer number of options can be daunting, from reflector telescopes to refractor telescopes, and the various technical specifications that come with each. It's easy to get lost in the jargon and end up buying a telescope that doesn't quite meet your needs. I've been there too, and that's why I'm excited to share with you a game changer in the world of stargazing. Another challenge many face is the misconception that you need to be an expert to use a telescope effectively. This couldn't be further from the truth. With the right telescope, you can start exploring the night sky in no time. So, let's dive into what makes the 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope so special. We'll explore the features of the 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope, including its compact design, versatility, and ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced stargazers. One of the standout features of this telescope is its portability. It's easy to transport and set up, making it perfect for stargazing on the go. Whether you're heading to a secluded spot or just observing from your backyard, this telescope is a great companion. The Schmidt-Cassegrain design is particularly noteworthy for its versatility. It allows for a wide range of astronomical applications, from planetary observation to deep sky exploration. The 8-inch aperture provides a clear and detailed view of celestial objects, ensuring that you don't miss out on the finer details. Using this telescope is incredibly straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The telescope's computer-assisted controls make it easy to navigate the night sky and find specific objects. This means you can focus on enjoying the experience rather than getting bogged down in complicated settings. For beginners, this is a huge plus. It's also a great tool for experienced astronomers who want to quickly find and observe various celestial bodies. The key moment of this video will highlight a live demonstration of the telescope in action, revealing spectacular celestial objects like the moon, planets, and distant galaxies, showcasing its true capabilities. I'll be pointing the telescope at the moon first, to show you just how crisp and clear the image is. You'll be amazed at the level of detail you can see, from craters to lunar mountains. Next, we'll explore some of the planets in our solar system. The telescope provides stunning views of Jupiter and its moons, as well as Saturn's beautiful rings. These observations are not only breathtaking but also educational, offering insights into the workings of our solar system. For those interested in deep sky objects, the telescope does not disappoint. We'll also be viewing distant galaxies and nebulae, revealing the vastness and complexity of the universe. This live demonstration will give you a real sense of what you can achieve with the 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope. It's an experience that will leave you eager to start exploring the night sky yourself. To wrap up, we'll summarize the benefits of the 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope, emphasizing how it makes stargazing enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out our next video on tips for your first night under the stars. Celestron NexStar 8SE Computerized Telescope, 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optical tube, fully automated go-to mount with SkyAlign, ideal for beginners and advanced users, 40,000 plus object database. Brand Celestron. Model name NexStar 8SE Computerized Telescope. Optical tube length 432 mm. Eyepiece lens description 25 mm eyepiece. Objective lens diameter 203 mm. Telescope mount description computerized altitude azimuth single fork arm mount. Product dimensions 32D x 34 inches wide by 52 inches high. Focus type manual focus. Power source battery powered. Finderscope StarPointer red dot finderscope. Advanced tech meets iconic design. The NexStar 8SE pairs Celestron's legendary orange tube with a fully computerized GoTo system, ideal for those ready to step up from manual scopes and explore more of the night sky with precision and ease. 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optics. The large 8 inches aperture gathers enough light to reveal fine lunar details, cloud bands on Jupiter, and deep sky objects like galaxies and globular clusters, all in a compact, portable form factor. Fully automated GoTo mount with NexStar Plus hand control. Use the NexStar Plus hand control to select from a 40,000 plus object database. The computerized mount then automatically slews to your target and tracks it, no star charts or manual alignment needed. Fast and easy alignment with SkyAlign technology. SkyAlign gets you observing fast. Just center any 3 bright stars or planets, even if you don't know their names. The system then calculates your position and aligns the mount in minutes. Compatible with Celestron accessories. Easily upgrade your setup with all our latest accessories to enhance automation, wireless control, or location accuracy as your skills grow. Unbeatable warranty and customer support. Buy with confidence from the Telescope brand, based in California since 1960. You'll also receive a 2-year warranty and unlimited access to technical support from our team of US-based experts. Unbeatable warranty and support. Buy with confidence from Celestron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960. Your purchase includes a 2-year US warranty and unlimited support from our team of US-based experts. The Celestron NexStar 8SE is a powerful, feature-rich telescope designed for intermediate users ready to take the next step in their astronomy journey. With its iconic orange tube and advanced Schmidt-Cassegrain optics, the 8SE offers impressive light-gathering ability in a compact, portable form, perfect for detailed views of the moon, planets, and deep sky objects like nebulae and galaxies. The fully automated GoTo mount makes finding objects effortless. Use the included NexStar Plus hand control to choose from a database of over 40,000 celestial objects, and the mount will automatically locate and track your target with precision. Getting started is easy with SkyAlign technology. Simply center any 3 bright stars or planets in the eyepiece, even if you don't know their names, and the system calculates your position and aligns the telescope in minutes. The NexStar 8SE is also compatible with a wide range of Celestron accessories, including StarSense Auto Align for hands-free setup, SkyPortal Wi-Fi for wireless control, and SkySync GPS for enhanced accuracy. With its combination of optical performance, smart technology, and upgrade potential, the NexStar 8SE is built to grow with you. Backed by Celestron's 2-year warranty and US-based technical support. General features: 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope. SE combines the classic heritage of the original orange tube telescopes with the latest state-of-the-art features. Star, bright XLT high transmission coatings come standard. Quick-release fork-arm mount, optical tube, and accessory tray for no-tool setup. Celestron's unique patented single fork arm with integral hand control design provides a rigid and smooth operating structure for the optical tube. StarPointer finderscope to help with alignment and accurately locating objects. Sturdy computerized ultrazimuth mount. Ultra-sturdy steel tripod with accessory tray. Star diagonal provides more comfortable viewing position when observing objects that are high in the sky. Computerized features. Proven NexStar computer control technology. 40,000 object database with 200 user-definable objects and expanded information on over 200 objects. SkyAlign allows you to align on any 3 bright celestial objects, making for a fast and easy alignment process. Flash upgradable hand control software and motor control units for downloading product updates over the internet. Custom database lists of all the most famous deep sky objects by name and catalog number, the most beautiful double, triple, and quadruple stars, variable star, solar systems, objects and asterisms. DC servo motors with encoders on both axes. Autoguider port for long exposure astrophotography. Double line, 16-character liquid crystal display hand control.